What if one of the most important places on Earth was hidden under nearly 2 miles of ice? A vast, ancient landscape no human can freely walk across. A world buried beneath Antarctica that holds clues about Earth's past and possibly its future. And what scientists are discovering there might change how we understand climate, sea levels, and even life itself. Today, we're going beneath Antarctica.
Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and most remote continent on Earth. Most of what we see today is a frozen desert stretching over 14 million square kilometers. But here's something surprising. Antarctica wasn't always frozen. Millions of years ago, it was part of the supercontinent Gondwana. It shared forests, rivers, and wildlife with what is now Africa, South America, India, and Australia. Over time, Earth's climate shifted. Antarctica drifted toward the South Pole, and gradually ice began to cover the land. Today, that ice sheet is so massive that in some places it is more than 4 kilometers thick. But beneath that ice lies an entirely different world. Mountains, valleys, ancient riverbeds, even lakes sealed off from millions of years. For decades, scientists only imagined what might be down there. Now, thanks to satellites, radar mapping, and ice-penetrating technology, we are finally beginning to see it. And what we're finding is rewriting what we thought we knew about Earth.
In the mid-20th century, explorers and scientists began using seismic readings and early radar systems to study Antarctica's structure. At first, they were simply trying to measure ice thickness, but something unexpected appeared. The readings suggested that Antarctica wasn't a flat, frozen surface beneath the ice. Instead, it looked like a complex terrain similar to other continents. This was a turning point. It confirmed that Antarctica is not just ice on top of water or rock. It is a real continent with its own geography hidden below. Mapping the hidden landscape. In recent decades, satellite technology has allowed scientists to see through the ice using gravity measurements and radar. These tools revealed something extraordinary. Under the ice lies a vast system of deep mountain ranges, hidden valleys, ancient river channels, and enormous basins carved by time. One of the most surprising discoveries was a region known as the Gamburtsev Mountains, a full mountain range completely buried under ice. What makes this even more fascinating is that no one expected mountains to exist there at all. It raises an important question: how many more features are still hidden? Subglacial lakes, liquid water in a frozen world. Perhaps one of the most fascinating discoveries beneath Antarctica is the existence of subglacial lakes. At first, scientists didn't believe liquid water could exist under such extreme cold. But in the 1990s, evidence confirmed it. One of the largest is Lake Vostok, a massive body of water buried under about 4 kilometers of ice. The pressure from the ice above, combined with geothermal heat from Earth's interior, keeps the water in a liquid state. What makes these lakes so important is their isolation. Some of them have been sealed off from the outside world for millions of years. That means they could contain unique microbial life, organisms that have evolved completely independently from the rest of the planet. If confirmed, this could help scientists understand how life adapts in extreme environments, and even how life might exist on other planets, like Europa or Enceladus. Antarctica as a climate archive. Beyond geography, Antarctica holds another critical role. It is one of Earth's most important climate records. Ice cores drilled from deep within the ice sheet contain layers of snow that fell hundreds of thousands of years ago. Each layer traps tiny bubbles of ancient air. By studying these bubbles, Scientists can reconstruct past climates, temperature changes, carbon dioxide levels, and atmospheric conditions. This data has revealed something important. Earth's climate has always changed naturally over time, but the current rate of warming is unusually fast in comparison to historical patterns. Antarctica, in this sense, acts like a giant natural library of Earth's climate history, and we are still only reading a small part of it. Why scientists are paying attention now? In recent years, attention has shifted toward what Antarctic ice is telling us about the future. As global temperatures rise, parts of the ice sheet are becoming more unstable. When ice melts, it doesn't just disappear, it contributes to rising sea levels around the world. This is why understanding what lies beneath the ice is so important. The shape of the land below Antarctica affects how ice flows and how quickly it may move toward the ocean. Some areas are grounded below sea level, meaning warm ocean water could reach under the ice more easily than previously thought. This has led scientists to study Antarctica not just as a remote place, but as a key part of Earth's climate system. The discoveries beneath Antarctica have changed multiple fields of science. In geology, it has reshaped our understanding of continental formation and movement. In biology, it has opened new possibilities for studying life in extreme conditions. In climate science, it has provided some of the most reliable records of Earth's atmospheric history. And in global policy discussions, Antarctica plays an increasingly important role. The Antarctic Treaty System, signed in 1959, ensures that the continent is used only for peaceful and scientific purposes. This agreement has allowed international cooperation in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Countries that might compete elsewhere often work side by side in Antarctica, sharing research and data. It's one of the rare examples in modern history where science has consistently come before politics.
So what does all of this mean? Beneath Antarctica is not just a frozen mystery. It is a reminder of how much of our world is still unknown. We often think of Earth as fully explored, fully mapped, and fully understood. But Antarctica shows us that even in the 21st century, there are still hidden worlds waiting to be discovered. It also teaches us something deeper. The planet is connected in ways we don't always see. What happens in Antarctica can influence oceans, weather patterns, and ecosystems thousands of miles away. And perhaps the most important lesson is this: discovery is not something that belongs only to the past. It is still happening right now. Under layers of ice, the Earth is still telling its story. We are only beginning to listen. And as technology improves, Antarctica may continue to reveal secrets that reshape our understanding of climate, life, and the history of our planet. One thing is certain: the hidden continent beneath Antarctica is not just a place on a map.